Hello, David Bradley here from the Pet Room. If you watched the previous video, I cleaned the keyboard of this 4016, upgraded to a 4032. And now, it is time. Now, funny, as I look here at the keyboard, certainly it could use a little cleaning up here, but certainly this does not make as much difference as the internals for what we're doing now. So, we'll put the connector on the top of the keyboard, and we will open the pet. And if this does not work, then I will be somewhat baffled. But that's happened before. Now, all right, and the soldering iron is cooling down. All right, here is our extra lighting. Oh, there's many more places to hang it from now without the keyboard in. Okay, so everything else is connected, everything else is hooked up, nothing is turned on. But this gives me a good view to get the keyboard plugged in. And it is in. Oh, you may not be able to see that. But anyway, the keyboard is in. So now, let me see if I can pull this a little bit farther forward. Okay, so keyboard connector is plugged in. Monitor connector is plugged in. Power connector is plugged in. This can sit here, won't do any harm. And I can turn on the machine. Hello. Okay. It's turning on. Okay. So now if I press 1, 0, ha, 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 and a question mark. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, it was looking so good there. Oh dear. Oh dear, 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 dear. Well, some keys are working. But some are not. This is distressing. So we may have a situation. I thought I cleaned it all well. See, the T is kind of intermittent. And intermittent usually means, but see, oh, now this is peculiar. The spacebar is not. Let's try A. B. That works well. C. No, oh, now it's coming along. Sort of. D works pretty well. E works pretty well. F, not really. So we may have, G is not bad. H, I, somewhat, but not great. J, K, L, M, N, O. See, we could have a thing. P, Q is okay. R, somewhat, somewhat, and then it stopped. Yes. Oh, dear. B is alright. B is not bad. W, X, somewhat. Y. That's what I ask. Y. Z. Z. Right? At sign? No. See, this could possibly be, well, that's kind of working a little bit. A somewhat failure. But I don't think so. Of one of the 6520 chips. Or maybe I just didn't do a very good job. But see, when some of the 6520 chips, or when there's a discrete failure, some things will fail, and other things will be fine. But this may be a combination of maybe I didn't do something quite as I should have, because some of the keys are coming up after some encouragement. I wonder if the clear home key works. Delete. 7, 8, 9, 0, 5, 4. 4 worked. 1, 2, 3, plus. All right, this is peculiar. I'm going to put this over here, straight down. I wonder, does the shift lock key work? Yay, it does. It kind of sticks a bit. Hello. You're supposed to pop up. Oh, come on. Come on. Maybe it's a little squirrely. Okay, it's up again. Let's do the L. No, it's still down. Maybe there is a failure there. Oh, well, it came right off. Let's see if that helps it any. No, it's still stuck. Huh. Well, I'm going to very gently, with great care, take some pliers, try to pull, there, now it's up. Okay. So it does seem to have, or it had, a stickiness problem. It still does. These things happen. How are we doing? We're still stuck down. Oops. Alright. So the shift lock key may be in distress, but it doesn't really matter because, of course, we've got lots of keys that aren't working. That is distressing. Here is the shift lock key. I'll gently put it back on. And it will stay down. And now I will try to get it I'll hold the key, try and convince it to come back up, but it's not doing it. Oh dear. I really don't want it to pop back off. Did I get it? Nope. And then the key comes off. Alright, well, something has issues. Maybe it needs, it's funny. Maybe it needs some lubrication. Yeah. Well, this is not exactly as I had hoped, but there is hope. I wonder if maybe I needed to let it sort of sit longer. Anyway, I've turned the machine off. I'll take this out. I think anything to do with these connections is okay. On here, I wonder, is it possible, although I doubt it, is it possible that there is corrosion on the actual pins on the actual board? And my gut tells me the answer is no. But let's just give them a treatment. With the alcohol. Let's see. Oh, my word. I did see under there quite a bit of dirt. Well, who knows? I mean, these connections, there's not a whole lot of power going through them. I'll give this a little down the row, kind of like down the typewriter. Down the typewriter. I guess the other thing I can do to ensure that everything else is working and that this is not a faulty connection on here or anywhere is to actually take, there's a little something, but not much there. Maybe I need to take the keyboard off of the other machine that works, because I really can't, it doesn't go in. It just doesn't. And this all looks clean. It does. Well, I may end up, oh no. No. Do not leave the alcohol bottle sitting around without the lid on. Anyway, I may have to open this keyboard up again. It is not the end of the world. It is not. If that happens, I'm going to make sure I get this on again. Just so. Pop it over here. Now that I've cleaned those connections. Turn it on. Now, does the return key work? Well, with much reluctance, it's somewhat. What about the space bar? Oh, a little. Well, it didn't do anything before. The home key would do nothing, and it still does nothing. I'm just going to look and see, are there any keys? Oh, the 8 key kind of sticks a bit. Well, I think I will turn out the lights and let this sit. I will turn it off, let it rest, and ponder if I'm going to take it all apart again. I suppose the next step would be to get another keyboard, probably off to the Rusty Pet, take it all the way out of the machine, and give it a try in here and see if I end up with the same kind of results or different results. I expect they'll be different. Maybe maybe I need to clean more in there. Well, still, it's better than it was. And if it has to come open again, well, it does. Anyway, I'm going to let it sit, and I will ponder. So, thank you. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. We'll see what happens in the next exciting video. Bye for now.